Interesting facts about space that you should know. 1. Mercury and Venus are the only two planets in our solar system that have no moons. 2. In total, there are almost 176 moons that orbit the planets in our solar system, with some of them being larger than Mercury itself. 2. If a star passes too close to a black hole, it can be torn apart. For 20 years, a team of astronomers observed a star at the center of our galaxy orbiting a black hole. The star has now got close enough to the black hole for gravitational redshift to occur, which is where the star's light loses energy because the black hole. 3. The hottest planet in our solar system is Venus. Most people think that this would be Mercury because it is the closest planet to the Sun. 4. Only 5% of the universe is visible from Earth. 68% of the universe is dark energy and 27% is dark matter. Both of these are invisible, even with a telescope, which means we are only able to see 5% of the universe. 5. Stars twinkle because of the light is disrupted when it passes through Earth's atmosphere. Starlight is affected by the winds in our atmosphere as it enters, as well as being affected by different areas and temperatures. That causes the light from each star to twinkle as we look at them. 6. Space is completely silent. This is because there is no air in space, and the air is needed to carry the sound vibrations. So if you shouted to someone next to you in space, they wouldn't be able to hear from you. 7. Astronauts can grow approximately 2 inches, 5 centimeters, in height when in space. This is due to the lack of gravity in space that causes the discs between the vertebrae to expand a bit. However, this extra height is lost when re-entering into the Earth's atmosphere and being into the Earth's gravity again. 8. The center of the galaxy smells like rum and tastes like raspberries. This was discovered by the IRM radio telescope zeroed in on a gas cloud called Sagittarius B2 at the center of our galaxy. The IRM detected a chemical known as ethyl formate, which gives rum its distinct smell and raspberries their distinct flavor. A sunset on Mars is blue. Mars has reddish days and bluish sunsets. Mars has less than 1% of the Earth's atmosphere. So the sunsets on Mars appear as blue due to the way the blue light from the sun is captured within the atmosphere of Mars. 10. The first living mammal to go into space was a dog named Laika from Russia. Laika was a stray mongrel from the streets of Moscow and was launched into space on the Soviet spacecraft Sputnik 2 on 3 November 1957. Laika died 5 to 7 hours into the flight due to overheating and stress. 11. As space has no gravity, pens don't work. Normal pens work by gravity pulling the ink towards the pen's nib, the writing part, as you hold the pen in your handwriting part facing downwards. As there's no gravity in space, the ink doesn't get pulled to the nib. However, special pens have been made that work in zero gravity. 12. The moon does not have an atmosphere. There's no wind or water to erode or wash away the Apollo astronauts' mark on the moon. That means their footprints, rover prints, space vehicle prints, and other materials will stay preserved on the moon for a very long time. 13. Mars has the largest mountain within the solar system. It's a volcano known as Olympus Mons, And it's twice as tall as Mount Everest.